Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Makina Stuff, and this time, eto na naman po tayo. We got something very, very rare para sa inyong mga collectors, mga fans ng MotoGP, especially Valentino Rossi. We have a special edition DID chain. Limited edition po ito all over the world. It's a limited run. We did do this before, mga 2-3 years ago. Essentially, hindi kasi siya for sale eh. So, ang gagawin natin dito, it's going to be for auction, okay? So, just to explain, of course, DID, in collaboration with VR46, meron silang special edition na chain na ginawa. Of course, DID is known to be the #1 chain brand in the world. MotoGP level, high performance, ginagamit ng mga pro racers, professionals, and the like. Valentino Rossi nga eh. Because of that, nag-tie up ang DID with Makina and the Blue Bee Foundation. The Blue Bee Foundation is one of our foundations na sinusupport sa Makina. Tumutulong po sila sa mga bata. So basically, i-auction off natin ito sa starting bid ng 500 pesos. At we're gonna keep on seeing how high this is gonna get all the way till August. Ay announce natin sa August yung ating winner. So again, you're gonna get your hands on something very, very rare, very, very limited. If you are a true Valentino Rossi fan, if you're a true MotoGP fan and DID fan as well, this is perfect for you. And you have actually a chance to get it at a good price. Value nito, tumataas na to the years. I believe na yung iba dyan, nasa mga 60,000 pa nga umaabot. And yung iba is, depende sa bansa, mga hundreds of thousands din. How to join, this is what you gotta do. So here's how you can join the auction. Step 1, register through eBay during the event. And when I say event, yan yung Makina Moto Changge dyan sa Central Luzon, SM City, Pampanga, May 16-17. Isa-scan nyo lang yung official QR code. Tapos, syempre, mag-create or log in kayo doon sa eBay account niyo and you can complete the whole account verification. Tapos, you can wait for the official auction opening announcement. We're gonna be announcing on that day sa Pampanga kung kailan pwede mag-start. Tapos, once the bidding starts, of course, pwede na kayo mag-bid directly to eBay. Now, alam ko yung iba sa inyo, tinatamad or walang eBay or walang pakialam sa eBay. It's okay. You can send your bids directly to SGC. May link tayo dito sa caption to DID Philippines as well. And if you know me personally, pwede rin akong tumanggap ng bids na, kunyari, you have my number. Zach, I'd like to bid for this and I will make sure that I can forward your bid to the guys over at SGC and DID. Kung ayaw nyo mag-eBay. Pero kung gusto nyo sa eBay, pwede din. So ano nga ba ang meron dito sa The Doctor Factory Edition na DID chain? This is a Valentino Rossi Race Use Drive Chain. Serialized collector set po ito. It is the same type, eksakto ito yung ginamit na type ni Valentino Rossi during his MotoGP racing days. Released po ito by DID to celebrate the legacy of MotoGP's greatest rider, of course, The Doctor. The Doctor Factory Edition is part of the VR46 series. It is created as a tribute to Rossi after his retirement from professional racing. That's how it started. DID, sabi nila, wala na si Rossi. To continue his legacy, his memory, his achievements in MotoGP, they came out with this chain. So this is limited and exclusive, only 460 sets worldwide, and I believe dito sa Pilipinas, mga 2 lang o 3 lang meron dito. This is inspired by Rossi's iconic number 46. Set number 46 is kept by Valentino Rossi himself. So number 460 throughout the world. Siyempre, hinabol lahat. Nasaan yung number 46? Na kay Valentino Rossi. Siya yung umako. Understandably naman. So what's included in this set? Of course, yung authentic chain. We have an official metal plate with a serial number for authenticity. Meron tayong premium crystal keepsake commemorating his legendary career. So bakit special? It is a true piece of MotoGP history, combines racing performance, and it is of course collectible. Tumataas yung value nito as we go along. Again, if you want to have this as part of your collection, if you love MotoGP, the tradition, the legacy, especially Valentino Rossi and all that he represents in the world of racing, syempre, I think this chain is good for you. It's gonna be awesome in your collection. Ang maganda po dito, bukod sa nakapag-bid ka, nakatulong ka pa sa mga bata kasi all proceeds will go to the Blue Bee Foundation. Alright, so good luck sa atin lahat and I'll see you guys around. Ciao!